Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Disneyland gave us all the details for Halloween at Disneyland this year, and they also gave us more information about Oogie Boogie's Bash. I thought today we would go over all those details so you can have it and prepare if you're planning on buying tickets for Oogie Boogie this year. Alright, let's get into it. We are on Disney Parks blog where Disney releases a lot of information about the happenings throughout the year. So on June 11th, they gave out 20 to 25 Halloween at Disneyland, Oogie Boogie Bash dates, and more. So in the beginning of it, it goes into Disneyland's Halloween, or Halloween at Disneyland Park, and it's talking about the new costumes for Mickey and Minnie. Don't they look so cute? I love them. It looks like they're going to glow in the dark, possibly. I love the green and the purple. I really think it's so cute. And then, so it is saying that Mickey and Minnie and their friends will be dressed to impress with Halloween in bright new looks featuring swirling colors of purple, green, and orange, a twist on their 70th celebration outfits. Make sure to wave hello and snap a photo. And then at Disneyland, the beloved Haunted Mansion Holiday Attraction Overlay invites you into the world where Halloween's spooky charm collides with Christmas magical. I want to see this so bad, and one day I will make it to Disneyland to see this. One day. And then there's Catch Halloween Screams, the nighttime spectacular filled with haunting projections, special effects showing creatures from the night and Disney villains like Hades and Ursula. Are they truly evil or are they just misunderstood? Disney keeps going on with this "are they just misunderstood" theme. The new villains show at Disney World's Hollywood Studios is about "are they just misunderstood?" It looks like that is going to be the theme at the Halloween Screams Nighttime Spectacular. And then Disney's Happiest Haunts guided tour. Unearth chilling stories and thrilling experiences in a 2-hour walking tour across Disneyland Park. The tour includes lightning lane access to select attractions and reserved viewing for Halloween Screams. That sounds like that would be fun. All right, over at Disney's California Adventure, Radiator Springs will take on a Willy Beautiful transformation. That is so cute. Look at them. Featuring Halloween overlays like Luigi's Honkin' Halloween and Mater's Graveyard Jamboree. Lightning McQueen and his friends will also take part in the fun in the creative costumes. That is cute. And then available in the evenings at Avengers Campus. Don't forget to check out the Guardians of the Galaxy's Monsters After Dark overlay. Groot has been left behind in Collector's Fortress, which is overrun with the monsters. In a thrilling chase, you and your friends must team up with Rocket to distract the beast and escape the chaos and groove with Groot before they catch you. That sounds like it would be so much fun. Something's brewing in the Disney Theater. For kids and the kids at heart, it's Mickey Mouse and his pals dressing up to celebrate Halloween in Mickey's Trick or Treat. This interactive show will temporarily replace Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live, and during the fall season, ringing in the special spirit without any real scares. You'll even get to take home a special treat. That's cute. And then food and drinks. It wouldn't be a party without food and drinks, or Halloween at Disney without food and treats. No better season to try something wildly delicious like the returning Oogie Boogie lemonade and new jalapeno cream cheese bread. That looks delicious, but I am a big jalapeno cream cheese fan. And then must-see merch. Look at that Mickey. Oh, isn't he so handsome? I like the bag too. So these will be available in the autumn. These seasonal items can be found at select locations throughout the resort, including World of Disney and Downtown Disney District, Ilias and Company at Disney's California Adventure Park, and Emporium on Main Street, USA, and Disneyland. Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit all over Disneyland Resort. Everyone's a winner in Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit, available from August 29th through October 31st. You can purchase this activity map to aid in the search of Disney-themed pumpkins hidden in Disneyland. Oh, that's cute. It's a little scavenger hunt with Pluto. All right, and then Halloween fun at the hotels of the Disneyland Resort. I'm sure there'll be decor out everywhere. Goofy's Kitchen celebrates Halloween, and Mickey's Autumn Adventures at Storyteller Cafe. Overnight guests at the 3 hotels can enjoy special perks such as a treat trail on select afternoons and option to purchase a Halloween-themed in-room celebration. Oh, that's cool. Which includes festivity-themed amenities and decorations. Check Disneyland.com/offer to see a list of available discounts and to save on your stay. For the first time, Broken Spell Lounge at Disneyland Hotel will feature a cocktail menu themed to Disney villains. Ooh. You'll discover a skeleton of, I like the play on words, a skeleton, a seasonal delights, a Disney Grand California Hotel and Spa. Watch pumpkin carves turned gourds into masterpiece. Feast your eyes on confectionery displays in the lobby and treat yourself to a Halloween-inspired treatment at Tanya Stone Spa. Our Plaza De La Familia 2025. Watch Pixar Animation Studios' Coco. Always reminds us of the treasure of everlasting bonds of the... I know I'm saying this wrong. Familia? If you also love the warm feeling of tradition and remembrance, you won't want to miss. This will be at Disney's California Adventure, August 22nd through November 2nd. We love Coco. That looks so neat. I like to watch it, and I love the Remember Me song. And there's going to be, ooh, that cupcake, or cake looks delicious. A heartfelt celebration at Paradise Gardens Park inspired by the spirit of Dia de los Muertos will once again feature live entertainment from the storytellers of Plaza De Familia. Celebrate the musical world of Coco. Delicious Mexican cuisines, artful crafts, and special photo opportunity with hand-animated dimensional figures of Miguel. You can go add a note of remembrance to the memory wall. That's so sweet. All right. The part that I know most people are waiting for is Oogie Boogie Bash 2025 tickets and details. We get questions a lot, when is Oogie Boogie tickets coming out? And we just have to wait for them to give us the date. It says, we are so excited to have a separated ticketed Oogie Boogie Bash, a Disney Halloween party, back at Disney's California Adventure Park on select nights, August 17th through Halloween, October 31st. During this family-friendly after-hours event, you can creep through Villains Grove, a Redwood Creek challenge trail. Satisfy your sweet tooth and encounter characters at immersive treat trails and enjoy a Frightfully Fun Parade. So we have been to Mickey's Not So Scary Party, but we've never been to Oogie Boogie, and that's on my bucket list because it looks so much fun from all the videos I've seen. You can also make your parade view an extra sweet by booking spots for the Oogie Boogie Bash dessert party. Admission to the after-hour event includes entry to Disney California Adventure Park 3 hours before the party begins. Unlimited Disney PhotoPass digital photos download from the party. All right, here it is. Mark your calendars. Tickets for Oogie Boogie Bash go on sale to the general public June 26th, so that's coming up. No earlier than 9 a.m. Pacific time. Pre-sale tickets will be available to Magic Key holders no earlier than 9 a.m. Pacific at Disneyland.com beginning the below dates. Inspire Magic Key holders can get them June 24th. Limited amount of tickets for pre-sale, and then all Magic Key holders can get them starting June 25th, and then it'll go June 26th will be on sale for the general public. Just keep in mind, every year when these go on sale, there's a queue, and don't refresh, just get in the queue and wait if you're going to buy your tickets. If you want help buying those tickets, or if you'd like us to hold in that queue for you, we would love to. Please reach out to us at letsmakememoriestravels.com, or you can email me at christina@letsmakememoriestravel.com. All right, once in the queue, choose the Notify Me option and enter your email address. All right, and then it just goes on to talk about more about the Disneyland celebration, but I think that's what most people were really waiting for, is when does Oogie Boogie tickets go on sale? And it looks like June 26th, unless you're a magic key holder. That's all I had for you today, was to give you the update on Disneyland's Halloween and the tickets going on sale for Oogie Boogie Bash. If there's anything I can help you with planning your trip to Disneyland or Disney World, please let me know, and I will keep you up to date as more information comes out for Disney and Universal. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.